just tasted that. Hi everyone, it's me here, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. Today's video is a beautiful look here with this eyeshadow palette. If you guys are interested on how I created this look and swatches, keep on watching. We're gonna start with the bottom row. Buzzkill, Oh Behave, and Totally Buggin'. Oh my god. Those are pretty. So the next three are Queen Bee, Palooza, and Dandy. Oh my gosh.
I like this one.
Yeah.
I like this one.
Okay, and then the last three are Sweet Pot, Sunburst, and Stinger. I love these names. Yeah, that one's super pretty too. These are the swatches.
I will show you what I like.
Yeah.
This one.
And now let's go ahead and jump into the eyeliner. I'm going to use this as my first transition and then my second. I almost dropped it. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, so fluffy brush and going in with Stinger with a few taps. To lay that down as my first transition shade for both eyes. Oh god. The shades on here are so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad that they came out with a yellow palette. Just building up the shade. Now that I got the first shade down, I'm gonna back up my mirror here. I'm gonna go in with that bright yellow Sweet Pot shade. I don't know how pigmented, let's see. And we're gonna just, okay. All right, not as bright as I thought it was gonna be with the first application. Let me add a little more. Okay, this is not as bright. I mean, it's nice, but I thought it was gonna be a little bit more pigmented. Maybe if I had a white base down, it probably would pop more. That's okay. We are... This is such a pretty color. I mean, it's blending nicely. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the other eye. So I'm going to go in with the shade here. I'm not going to tap off the excess. I'm just going to look down a little bit. Right here. Really focus that almost in my crease. Add some depth. Okay. Really, these shades are very easy to blend. I will give it that. Going in with a brush like so. And then I'm going to go here. Sorry, my daughter's distracting me. Okay, so I'm not sure how dark this is. It's not that dark, actually. I'm just patting, and I'm not... I wish they had a slightly more darker brown. This is really not doing what I want it to do. And I really don't want to use another palette either. I'm only keeping this color on the outer portion of my eye. I'm gonna go back in that dense fluffy brush, denser, and I'm just gonna buff that. Blending. It did give me a little bit of dimension, not too much. So I'm gonna try going in with the more fluffier brush and see if that'll help. I mean, I didn't want this to be too dramatic anyway, but for those people that like more dramatic looks and wanted to deepen this up, whoa, you know, they should have had, I think, another shade in there. Going in with this shade here, picking up an ample amount, and I'm gonna start placing that from the middle of my eye outward and blending that into the Buzzkill shade. And Dandy is this bright gold shade right here. And I'm also going to wet my brush for that. I love this mirror though. I will say that. Like, I'm looking down like, man, it's such a big mirror. All right, so going in with Dandy, and we're going to put that on the innermost part of the eye, blending it outwards like so. I'm going to go into the shade right here, and I'm not going to wet my brush. I just want, oh my god, look how pretty! Okay, so I did everything else apart from the rest of my eyes and lashes and all that. I'm gonna use this peachy shade right here on the lower lash line. And I'm gonna connect that to the outer portion of my eye. This is probably one of the most favorite eye looks I think I've ever done. Now that that part's done, I'm gonna use the Sunburst shade, which was the only glittery shimmer, whatever, shade that I did not use, which is this really bright shade right there. And I'm gonna use that on the inner corner. I'm not gonna wet my brush this time. I just want to lay that down there, add some. Ooh, a little bit of fallout. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. It's so pretty. I also did grab a eyeliner here, this gold shade. Let's see if it says in Dirty Talk. So I kind of want to do my waterline with it. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna add a little mascara. Don't you guys hate it when you do a look and you go to put your mascara on and it gets everywhere? Oh my god. Ugh. I really don't want big lashes because I feel it's gonna take away. I'm just gonna use these little magnetic accents. It's like I want a big lash though, like I really do. I'm afraid I'm gonna ruin it. So I'd rather play it safe. This is the finished look. I don't know if you guys can see. I really love the way this came out. I have to say, I like this palette. I like this palette a lot. I think it's super cute. I can't stop looking at myself. But yeah, I really like this palette. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your favorite ColourPop palette. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. That way you guys are notified of my videos. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.